If you're just getting into machine learning, the number of research papers can get overwhelming. At this stage, you don't actually need to make research papers your main focus. The best use of time would be mastering the basics, like linear regression, gradient descent, and neural networks. But after you get the basics down, reading papers is essential. Here's 5 of them that I consider absolutely essential. Let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Attention is All You Need, which you may have already expected to be on the list. It's one of the most talked about papers in machine learning, and this list wouldn't be complete without it. This paper proposed the transformer architecture behind Google Translate and, of course, GPT. Sure, there's tons of resources out there to learn about transformers and attention, but I still think this paper is worth reading to understand the historical context behind the development of transformers. The authors of the paper actually developed the transformer to improve translation neural networks, not chatbots. At number 4 on our list, we have handwritten digit recognition with a backpropagation network. It's from 1989, and this was actually the first paper where convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, were trained with deep learning methods. The first author is Yann LeCun, a chief AI scientist at Meta, who's also considered the godfather of CNNs. Given that CNNs are widely used across almost every image classification model today, understanding the ideas of the inventors in their own words is definitely worth the time investment. Number 3 on our list is one of my favorite papers. An image is worth 16 by 16 words, another paper from Google. The central idea of this paper is that if we train a large enough model on a large enough dataset, transformers can actually outperform CNNs at image classification. Yup, transformers can be used for models other than chatbots. The trickiness in this paper lies in how we can represent an image as a sequence to pass into the transformer. We can't just pass each individual pixel in, since the sequence would be way too long when dealing with high-resolution images. I'll leave it to you to read about the trick, or if you're interested in a video breaking down the vision transformer, just leave a comment. At number 2, I argue that everyone should read LoRA, Low-Rank Adaptation of LLMs. This paper dives into a matrix multiplication trick that can be used to fine-tune LLMs without any expensive GPUs. It's actually inspired an entire subreddit, r/local where ML enthusiasts fine-tune models on interesting and unique datasets. I think this paper is worth reading to understand how fine-tuning actually works, since a lot of the libraries will abstract away these important details. Finally, at number 1 on our list, I think everyone should read the original paper on RAG from 2020. It's titled Retrieval Augmented Generation for Knowledge-Intensive NLP Tasks, a mouthful. This paper comes from Facebook AI and dives into how RAG really works, from similarity search to embedding models and vector databases. RAG isn't going anywhere anytime soon, so I think everyone should understand the neural networks behind this incredibly useful tool. I hope you found this video useful, and let me know in the comments if there's any specific papers you're interested in. See you soon.